Squiz Kids!
It's your daily news fix. Fun, free, fresh.
Hello there, and welcome to the first in our series of summer squizzes for the school holidays. I'm Bryce Corbett, host of Squiz Kids, your daily dose of age-appropriate news for kids. Last week, we released the Bumper Kids versus Adults quiz to see who's smarter. And every Monday until school goes back, we'll be putting out a little summer quiz to keep your brains ticking over, to maybe relieve some of the monotony of those long school holiday days, or maybe even to keep you entertained on a family road trip. However you choose to tackle these quizzes, the important thing is you beat your brothers and sisters. No, I'm kidding. It's all a bit of fun. In this quiz, we're going to take a look back on the year 2020 and all of the cool stuff that happened in the pop culture, entertainment, TV, film, music and book worlds. Okay, are you ready? Great. Let's jump right in. Question number 1. Which former One Direction band member had a worldwide hit with his song Watermelon Sugar? Yeah, it was Harry Styles. Question number 2. What's the name of the animated cattle dog who lives in Brisbane with her mum Chili, her dad Bandit, and sister Bingo? Yeah, it's Bluey. Question number 3. What online game became really popular in 2020, requiring players to find the imposter aboard their spaceship? That's right, it's Among Us. Question number 4. Which live-action Disney movie, set in China, told the story of a brave female warrior who pretends to be a boy? That's right, it was Mulan. Question number 5. Australian kids author Terry Griffiths wrote another book this year about what structure in a tree that just keeps getting bigger? Yeah, that's right, it's a treehouse. Question number 6. Who am I? I'm an Australian singer and a judge on the TV show The Voice, which my brother won this year. You got it, I'm Guy Sebastian. Well, I'm not, but you know what I mean. Question number 7. Chadwick Boseman died tragically this year after a battle with cancer. He is best known for his role as which Marvel superhero who lived in the fictional kingdom of Wakanda? Yeah, it's Black Panther. Question number 8. What's the name of the Australian comedian who hosted the TV show Lego Masters? That's right, it's Hamish Blake. Question number 9. Name the English author whose books include Gangster Granny, Billionaire Boy, and Boy in a Dress, who this year released a new book called Codename Bananas. That's right, it's David Walliams. Question number 10. Name the Korean boy band that broke all the records with their first ever song in English, Dynamite. Yeah, it was BTS. Well, that's it for the Pop Cultures quiz. How did you go? What score did you get? Did you beat your brothers and sisters? Don't forget, next Monday there'll be another quiz, and this time we'll be looking back on the sporting year that was. In the meantime, if you haven't already subscribed to Squiz Kids in your preferred podcasting app, can I suggest you do so? That way, you won't miss out on any of our summer programming, including the Kids vs. Adults bumper quiz and, of course, the first annual Squizzy Awards for the funniest, smelliest, grossest and cutest news stories of the year. Well, that's it from me. This is Bryce Corbett signing off and reminding you all to get out there and have a most excellent day. Over and out. Squiz Kids is proudly supported by the Judith Neilson Institute for Journalism and Ideas.
Squiz Kids!
It's your daily news fix. Fun, free, fresh.